In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top and select Open as window. Now you can follow all of those instructions by tapping on Next after each step. And then to close your window, just swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!